Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best OLED TVs on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sony XR-A95K. The Sony A95K stands as a masterpiece in the realm of OLED TVs, showcasing quantum dot OLED technology that seamlessly combines the black level mastery and unparalleled light control of OLED with exceptional brightness and pure color. Propelled by Sony's cognitive XR processing engine, the images produced are nothing short of stunning, leaving a lasting impression during testing. While the new Samsung's 95 columns offers even brighter images with its next-gen QD OLED panel, Sony's refined image processing and support for Dolby Vision HDR make the A95K a top choice for cinema enthusiasts. The television's design is equally impressive, featuring a unique aesthetic with a full-width metal plate stand that can be positioned behind the TV for a minimalistic look or in front for an industrial flair, highlighting its premium build quality. Number 2. Samsung's 90 columns. The Samsung's 90 columns earns our top recommendation for most users. Despite LG's C-series of OLEDs traditionally dominating this space, this 90 columns outshines them with its brighter display and superior sound quality, all at a comparable price point to the LG C3, ranked at #6 on the list. Offering excellent value for money, this 90 columns boasts an extensive range of connectivity options and gaming support, featuring full 4K 120Hz and variable refresh rate capabilities across all 4 HDMI ports. Utilizing the Samsung Neural Quantum 4K processor, identical to the one in the flagship's 95 columns QD OLED TVs, this TV delivers refined, natural-looking images. The processor employs 20 neural networks to implement various AI-based enhancements, including superior upscaling of HD and SD content to the TV's native 4K resolution. Number 3. LG A2. LG's A2 series TVs represent the brand's most budget-friendly OLED offerings, providing impressive value despite lacking some premium features found in higher-end models. Leveraging LG's exceptional OLED panels, these TVs deliver outstanding color and contrast, albeit with slightly less brightness than their pricier counterparts. The inclusion of LG's WeBoss Smart TV operating system, regarded as one of the best in the industry, ensures a seamless and intuitive user experience. Powered by LG's Alpha 7 Gen 5 AI processor, the A2 series introduces features like dynamic tone mapping and 5.1 2-channel sound mixing, supporting various high dynamic range formats such as Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, along with Dolby Vision IQ and GIG. These TVs cater to diverse entertainment needs. Number 4. Samsung's 95 columns. In our assessments, the Samsung's 95 columns stands out as the brightest OLED TV we've ever tested, surpassing the LG C3 by approximately 70%. While the LG G3 measured a tiny fraction brighter for HDR highlights, the Samsung exhibited overall brightness across the entire screen, securing its victory. This remarkable brightness not only ensures exceptional HDR images, but also delivers rich, clear, and accurate colors that are unparalleled. In our comprehensive review, we noted that high dynamic range content appears significantly more punchy and realistic, especially in the intensity of bright highlights. The Samsung's 95 columns successfully maintains deep, rich, and inky black colors, preserving OLED's traditional home theater excellence. Number 5. LG B3. The LG B3 emerges as a top choice for gamers seeking an affordable 120Hz OLED TV. Boasting excellent picture quality, smooth motion processing, and a valuable game optimizer feature, the B3 caters to gamers on a budget. While it lacks HDMI 2.1 across all 4 ports, its game optimizer makes it a compelling option for gaming enthusiasts. The audio performance may not be stellar, as expected at this price point, but the impressive picture quality, exceptional contrast, great HDR, and vibrant colors make it a noteworthy contender. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.